Number 5 in the list is the F-18 Super Hornet. The Super Hornet is largely a new aircraft. It is about 20% larger than the original Hornet. The Super Hornet carries 33% more internal fuel, increasing mission range by 41%. Number 4 in the list is the Su-35. Su-35 is single-seat, twin-engine, super-maneuverable multirole fighters, designed by Sukhoi. It is also called the Super Flanker. Su-35 is essentially a modernization of Su-27 and is developed to bridge the gap between legacy fighters and the upcoming 5th-generation Sukhoi Pak-FA. It is considered to be one of the most agile fighter in the world. Number 3 in the list is the Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French twin-engine, canard-delta wing, multirole fighter aircraft. Although not a full-aspect stealth aircraft, the cost of which was viewed as unacceptably excessive, the Rafale was designed for a reduced radar cross-section and infrared signature. It has very high level of agility and capable of withstanding 11G maneuvers. Number 2 in the list is the Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, canard-delta wing, multirole fighter. It is a highly agile aircraft, designed to be a supremely effective dogfighter and has been described as second only to the F-22 Raptor, even though the Raptor is nearly twice the cost. Continuous development have resulted in being increasingly better equipped to undertake air-to-surface strike missions. And the number 1 is the F-22 Raptor, the only operational 5th-generation fighter. Primarily an air superiority fighter, but has additional capabilities including ground attack, electronic warfare, and signals intelligence roles. The Raptor's combination of stealth, aerodynamic performance, and situational awareness gives the aircraft unprecedented air combat capabilities, unmatched by any other operational fighter. The T-14 features a revolutionary fully automated and unmanned turret. According to sources in the Russian Defense Ministry,